Hi everybody, it's Juliet here, and it is the 10th of May, which means it is time to look inside Potomac Bead's treasure box for the month. This is a subscription box, comes monthly, and the treasure box is a kind of curated and themed collection of beads. So every month is different, and you don't know what it's going to be. It changes every month. There is another subscription that Potomac Beads offers, which is a kit box, which comes with three different projects every month, and the materials and instructions to make those. But this one is the treasure box, so we're going to take a look inside. And if you want any more information about like pricing or anything like that, I'll put a link down below and you can click on that, and it tells you all the different like lengths of subscriptions and pricing and more about what you get in the box. Okay, these boxes are really good value. Also, you do get more than the value of the box. You know, what you pay is less than what you get, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's see what the theme is for the month. It is Stormy Shores, and here it tells you all about it. So, we're getting a Bead Tech magnetic needle case apparently. And then on the back, there is an inventory. So this tells you all the different beads that you're getting in the box. So you can see you do get quite a lot, okay? And here is what it looks like. So, ooh, pretty. A lot of like blues. Yeah, a lot of blues. Okay, so I'm gonna take everything out, and then we'll come back and look at everything in detail. Okay, so here is everything that we are getting this month. So I'll just quickly run through everything for you. So first of all, we're getting some crystal rondelles, and these are light sapphire AB. So these are 2mm stringing length by 3mm round. Really, really pretty. Okay, and you get a good number of those, as you can see in this pile here. Usually you get like 50 or something. Okay, and then next here we have some 4mm bicones. These are Aqua AB, and again, these come in a pack of 60, so maybe we actually get 60 of the rondelles as well. I don't know. This one says on the pack 60. This is really fun. So we're getting, again, this month, some crystal Montees. Now these are teeny tiny ones. These are the SS12. So we've had SS16, we've had SS20. This month we're getting SS12. And these are green opal. Aren't those so cute and pretty? So these are like little 3mm, little tiny ones. But I love them, they're so cute. And you get a big pack of those, pack of 36 it says. Here we have some crystal disco balls. These are faceted rounds, and this is metallic sky Montana AB, it says. So metallic sky / Montana AB. So that is the coloring. And those are really cool. Now these are neat. These are some laser cut wooden little components. You get 2 of them. So you could put a jump ring through here and make a little fish. So that's what these are. Kind of different and unique. Here we have a very beautiful 18mm crystal Rivoli. So that is, it looks like one of their Colorshift. It doesn't actually say the color on my pack, so I'm not sure what the actual color is, but super pretty. You can see it goes from like blue and green to like a purple fuchsia kind of color. And the back is just coated. Okay, so it's an 18mm Colorshift Rivoli. Here we have a little tiny cute Athenacast little seashell. They're little like clam shells, charms, and you get 4 of those. So, you know, you could add them to earrings, or, I mean, how cute would that be if you put a little jump ring and then had a little pearl or something just sitting inside there. You could even glue one in there. That would be really cute. These are adorable. Okay, next we have here some 3mm gemstones. These are fire agate. These are the aqua color of fire agate. So you get 3mm, a big long string as well. So that's good. And then we have some seed beads. This month we're getting 2. So we're getting some 80 Azuki seed beads in a silver lined light sapphire. Really pretty. And we're also getting some Toho seed beads. So these are opaque rainbow navy blue, and these are 11 O's. Really pretty. Again, matches perfectly with those rondelles right there. Okay, then here we have, oh, I think I grabbed the wrong string. Okay, some Potomac pearls. These are 3mm pearls, and they're calling this color Comet. So that's what those are. Kind of a pale blue-green. Very pretty. And again, a big long strand. Sorry if you hear sirens in the background. I don't know what's going on, but sounds like maybe a fire truck. Okay, and then here we have some StormDuos. Again, a nice big pack of 80 we're getting. These are metallic aqua. So StormDuos are 2-hole beads, and they, as you can see, kind of have like a little wave to them. So you can use them on either side so that they can point either direction, okay? Most of you are familiar with those, and most of you are familiar with these as well. These are DiscDuos beads. So these are little 6mm flat discs, and again, these are 2 holes, hence the name DiscDuos. And this color is called metallic aqua as well, so it's the same color as the StormDuos, okay? Then here we have some little Athenacast bales, and these are just some silver leaf bales. So you can glue these onto something. If you have something you want to pinch in the middle, you can just do that and then glue it onto something, okay? Then we have 3 of these really cute little check conch shells. So 3 little beads, and they just string up and down, and they're kind of blue with a silver coating on them, but very cute little accent beads. Here we have a Bead Tech needle holder, and they've given us what looks like some sewing needles here, but it just illustrates what it is, so that there's like a magnet in here, so it magnets your needle on, and then you won't lose it, and it's like nice and safe in this little box. So you know, you can stick all your beading needles right in there like that. There you go, you've got all your needles nice and handy. Okay, and then here, I think this is a misprint. It says check faceted around 6mm, and underneath it, so I think that's supposed to say 3mm, because these are definitely not 6mm. I believe these are 3 by 2mm rondelles, and this is called, well, yeah, the bag says 3mm. Blue-gray mix is what they're calling this, but it's more like a turquoise and silver mix, I would say, but very pretty little cute little check rondelles there. Fire polish shape, okay? And then here, these are adorable. I absolutely love these little check fish beads. Aren't these cute? They kind of have like a gold sheen on them. And yeah, they're just, you get 12 of them. They're so cute. And I believe they're 10 millimeters long, so a centimeter from the tip to the end of the tail, but really, really cute. I just love those. And then last but and not least, I love these also. These are really pretty. These are 6 millimeter check rounds, but look, they have like this pearlescent kind of metallic magical sheen on them. They're calling this crystal blue, but isn't that gorgeous? I just love this sort of metallic like sheen on them. It's so pretty. And you get 15 of those. So yeah, that is everything in this month's box. Such a pretty set, especially if you love blue, which I do. So I can't wait to make something really cool with all of these beads. But do go and check out Potomac Beads if you're interested in getting this box or getting future boxes. And every month I do a project using the items from the box. So if you get the box, then you can do that project with me, just to give you some ideas. But I mean, Potomac always has tons of ideas as well. So okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care for now. Bye.